Hello students, welcome back to NEET series 101. Listen to this question. A ray of light is incident on a transparent glass slab of refractive index 1.5. So n2 is equal to 1.5. We know that by convenient n1 is equal to 1, right? If the reflected and the refracted rays are mutually perpendicular, meaning assuming some of them are reflected and some of them are refracted, and they've given that the angle between them is 90, right? So what is the angle of incidence? First, I'm going to need a line to differentiate between the rarer and denser. So I'm going to draw a line here. And obviously, I'm going to need a normal. So they are asking for the incident angle, right? Here, if you see clearly, this is 90 and this is also 90 and this is 90, right? I think we have the upper hand here, right? So by law of reflection, we know that this is I, and which makes this 90 minus I, and which makes this I, yes. Again, I think you know where I'm going, which makes this R is equal to 90 minus I. We've got the refracted ray, yeah. So apply the Snell's law in this and put in all the known values, and we get tan I is equal to 1.5, which is option D. There you go. So if this was fun, try out this question and comment the answer below. For more resources, check out our official website and contact me for more information. We are definitely making learning physics fun. Thank you.